lang guys, may question si Demi. Isang entry lang po ba per app or pwede multiple entries? Tapos yan, meron din sa comment section, single or one entry lang po ba or pwede po ba multiple entries? So, as per full mechanics ni Macdo app, ayan, kailangan natin gumawa ng app profile para magamit yung promo registration feature. And of course, mag-fill up tayo ng first name, last name, mobile number, email address. Then, upon raffle registration or submission is pinapalagay din yung home address. Then, ito guys, punta tayo sa number 3. Nakalagay dito na kung pwede bang mag-earn ng more than one raffle entry. And ang sagot po is no. One raffle entry lang daw po ang pupwede. Kasi madidetect nila yung details, yung info na na-submit nyo na, which is hindi na pwedeng umulit. Which is okay and fair sa lahat. Kasi kailangan mo lang mag-redeem one time, isang beses lang, bumili ng 2-piece Chicken McDo with Coke deal. And one time lang din mag-submit ng entry for this raffle. And paswertihan na lang talaga sa mga mananalo, ano? Baka naman, mapaisa tayo sa 1,432 winners na makaka-receive ng 2 tickets each, no? Ayan, pamamimigay nila is 65 winners for VIP seated, 399, lower box, 423, upper box, 543, Gen Ad. So yun, each winner will get 2 tickets, guys. So baka pag nanalo kayo, sama nyo ako, I'm free. Charot.